Flies are more than just a nuisance. They can also be dangerous, spreading diseases and contaminating food. In this video, we'll discuss some of the dangers you should know about flies and how to protect yourself. Dangers of flies. Flies are known to spread a variety of diseases, including cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, E. coli, salmonella, shigella, typhoid. Flies can also contaminate food with harmful bacteria and viruses. When they land on food, they can leave behind their bodily waste, which can contain disease-causing germs. How to protect yourself from flies. There are a number of things you can do to protect yourself from flies, including keep your home and yard clean and free of debris. Flies are attracted to garbage, decaying food, and animal waste. Use screens on your windows and doors to keep flies out of your home. Cover food and drinks when they're not in use. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after eating and after handling food. Use fly traps or sprays to kill flies. Conclusion. Flies can be dangerous, but there are a number of things you can do to protect yourself. By following the tips above, you can help to reduce your risk of getting sick from flies. Additional tips. Avoid swatting at flies, as this can burst their bodies and spread germs. If you see a fly on your food, throw it away. Be especially careful with raw meat and poultry, as these are more likely to be contaminated with harmful bacteria. If you have pets, be sure to clean up their waste regularly. If you have a problem with flies, contact a pest control professional. Outro. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something about the dangers of flies and how to protect yourself.